Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on your Nintendo Switch so your friends can't see when you come online. So just on the home screen here, what we want to do is go up to our page. So mine is Tim's page right here, Timbo's page with the Donkey Kong symbol. And then go on down and you might be under like profile where you can see your play activity and stuff. So you can see I played Super Smash Brothers for about 5 hours. We want to go down to user settings and then go to the right. And then scroll on down past profile settings. And we want to go to where it says Friends Functions. And we want to go to Friend Settings. And then, I believe it's the first option, Display Online Status 2. We can select All Friends, Best Friends, or No One. And then you will be invisible to people. It says you can set whether your friends can see your online status. Friends who cannot see your online status may not be able to join you in online play. So that is how you can appear offline to people. You can just simply go to No One right here, and then they won't know what you've been playing or what you're doing right now. So if you back out under here, if you're really concerned about some things, you can go to where it says User Settings right here, and you can go to Play Activity Settings, and you can set your play activity to No One. So people can't see what you've been playing, otherwise you can delete your play activity. So if you don't want people to see this information right here where it says play activity, you can delete it or hide it from people. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More technical videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.